In this demo, we'll show how to use mobile proxies for cloud phones. Let's get started. First, launch the Multilogin app and log in. This dashboard is your starting point for profile creation. Multilogin allows you to use real Android devices hosted in the cloud, letting you manage mobile platforms without physical phones. For cloud phones, we also provide built-in mobile proxies in each plan. Let's open the Cloud Phones dashboard. This is your workspace for cloud phones. You can manage all your cloud devices, folders, and settings from here. Next, click Create to set up a new cloud phone or browser profile. Give your profile a name and choose how many devices or profiles you want to create. You can add notes to remember what each profile is for, and then put it in a folder to stay organized. After that, set up a proxy. Choose Multilogin to use the built-in proxies. This lets your cloud phone connect from a specific place. For any mobile platform, a stable and authentic connection is vital. Specify your location. We provide more than 30 million IPs from 150 locations, allowing you to be precise with geo-targeting. Select the country, region, and city if needed. Choose a device brand and model. For best results, use one cloud phone for each mobile platform account. Click Create to finish setting up your cloud phone. Your mobile profile is ready. You can also create a proxy template for your next mobile profiles. Click the Proxies button on the sidebar on the left. Once everything is ready, launch your cloud phone. The device will open with a normal Android home screen. You can click, swipe, and navigate just like on a real phone. Your next steps are to download apps and log into your accounts to get started. Check our other videos to see how you can do it with the built-in app marketplace. Multilogin is a leading multi-account platform solution. From browser and mobile profiles to residential and mobile proxies, we have everything to make your business grow. Check the link in the description and get started today.